Welcome back. A viral video showing a man being publicly flogged, forced to lie face down on the ground, and allegedly assaulted by community leaders has sparked outrage across Nigeria. The disturbing footage has now led to police action, with authorities reportedly arresting the chairman of an immovable community in Delta State and 2 other officials as investigations continue into the incident. The big question now is this: where does community authority end and the rule of law begin? The incident has reignited debates over whether community leaders have any legal right to punish residents for expressing opinions, especially on social media. According to reports, the Delta State Police Area Command in Ozoro has arrested 3 individuals over the alleged assault and public humiliation of Godspower Okedi, an indigene of immovable community in Isoko North local government area of Delta State. Among those reportedly arrested are Lucky Okeremu, the chairman of immovable community, the chairman of the community vigilante group, and the chairman of the community task force. The arrest followed an incident that reportedly occurred on Wednesday and quickly attracted widespread attention after videos of the alleged assault circulated across social media platforms. According to multiple community sources, quoted by Sahara reporters, the controversy began after Godspower Okedi made comments in the immovable community WhatsApp group regarding the destruction of farmlands allegedly caused by suspected Fulani herdsmen. The reports claimed that community leaders had invited women whose farms were allegedly destroyed to register for compensation that was reportedly received from the herders. Okedi allegedly criticized the arrangement. According to reports, he argued that accepting compensation from the herders could encourage further destruction of farmlands and embolden those responsible to continue their activities, thereby worsening insecurity within the community. However, supporters of community chairman Lucky Okeremu have strongly denied those allegations. According to a statement from Okeremu's camp, the community leadership met with leaders of the Arewa community in neighboring Ugeli North local government area, following reports of farmland destruction. They stated that the meeting produced a firm resolution that herdsmen should no longer enter immovable to graze cattle. The chairman's supporters argued that describing those peace-building discussions as collaboration with herdsmen is misleading. According to the same statement, respected members of the community reportedly appealed to Okedi to withdraw his allegations and apologize, but he allegedly refused. Earlier reports had suggested that the disagreement was linked to social media criticism of abandoned Niger Delta Development Commission road projects in the community. However, Sahara reporters later reported that the immediate trigger for the confrontation was Okedi's comments regarding the alleged compensation arrangements discussed in the community WhatsApp group. According to witnesses quoted in the reports, Okedi honored an invitation to appear before community leaders. Shortly after arriving, he was allegedly attacked. Witnesses claimed he was beaten, forced to lie face down, and repeatedly flogged with sticks and pieces of wood, while the incident was recorded on video. The footage later spread widely online, prompting widespread condemnation. Many Nigerians described the incident as a serious abuse of authority and questioned whether any community leadership has the legal power to fiscally punish residents over disagreements or comments made on social media. The incident also drew condemnation from prominent leaders within the Isoko community. President of the Isoko National Youth Assembly Worldwide, Eniwak Orogun, described the incident as unacceptable. He stated that no one has the right to treat another person in such a manner and disclosed that police had invited all parties involved to the area command in Ozoro. The President General of Immovable Community, Emmanuel Ereze, also condemned the assault. According to him, regardless of the content of any online post, Nothing justifies the type of treatment seen in the viral videos. He stated that intimidation, humiliation, and taking the law into one's hand have no place in the community. Meanwhile, a senior police officer at the Delta State Police Area Command reportedly confirmed that 3 suspects are currently in police custody. According to Sahara reporters, the officer said the community chairman, the chairman of the community vigilante group, and the chairman of the community task force have all been arrested. The officer also disclosed that additional suspects linked to the incident remain at large after allegedly failing to honor police invitations. Police investigations are continuing, and the suspects are expected to be arraigned after the investigation is completed. At the same time, at the time of these reports, the Delta State Police Command had not issued an official public statement detailing the arrest or announcing possible charges. The case has once again highlighted growing concerns about mob justice, abuse of authority, and the limits of community leadership in resolving disputes. Legal experts note that while traditional and community institutions play important roles in local conflict resolution, allegations involving assaults, unlawful detention, or physical punishment remain matters for law enforcement agencies and the courts. As investigations continue, many Nigerians will be watching closely to see whether those accused are formally charged and whether the case reinforces the principles that no individual or community leader is above the law. Share your views in the comments below. If you enjoyed these reports, please like, share, and subscribe for more news reports. I'm Chidera Isom. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next reports.